So that was just a little drop, and you can see I went in this far into the wood. If that, all right, here we go. All right, so let's see what we got here.
Whoa.
These fibers that are in chaps are designed to pull and clog the whole sprocket. I should have used a different saw. I got it right mess. All right. So that's what happens when the saw hits this. It pulls all these fibers and it plugs up the sprocket and kills the engine. All right. You have to get a volunteer to take that apart. All right. So let's see what we got. Here's the moment of truth. Ta-da! Nothing there. All right. It didn't even cut through the interior fabric. All right. So chaps can save your life.